Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ ज्योति as you know और ये है
And I was Shruti, as now you know. How are you,
yours.
Jojo?
I'm very good and I'm excited about this because it's not music and we're going back to comedy.
Haha, I love it. Yes,
It's
but
always fun.
whom are
So
we
you
listening
remember
to
we
today?
did we reacted to Rahul Dua's crowd work video. So a
Yes.
lot of comments below that said Rahul Subramanian's crowd work is also amazing. So
Acha,
dono
why
Rahul,
not? Yes.
let's go
Huh.
to the second round.
Nice.
है ना?
All right. हाँ,
So
बिल्कुल.
this is
बिल्कुल
from a
happy.
show that he did in
Hmm.
Bangalore. I've never
Okay.
watched any of his stuff before, so he's completely new to me.
Bangalore.
है ना? You also? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, me also.
So
Yeah.
let's see.
Great. It's cute. Count me down. Let's do this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
GK, I wish I knew you, man, at that time.
You can still know me. I'm here. I'm here after the show.
GK, are you flirting with me?
I like his vibe already.
Right, that man and that lady over there. Can you, hi, sir.
Hi,
Oh. Hi, what's your name?
Rashmi.
Rashmi. Rashmi, can you hold the mic a little closer to you?
Not really. No?
You-
Okay.
See, you'll get such audience also. Let's start again. So nice to meet you.
Hi, Rahul. Nice to meet you.
Can you please hold the mic a little closer?
Is this better?
Rashmi, what do you do?
I'm an executive search consultant.
Are you one of those search engine optimization people?
No.
Okay. Oh, I have to keep guessing. All right.
So I hire folks for companies in their leadership position.
Your consultancy service, HR consultant. Ah,
Not HR, it's just.
you don't want to
join.
be associate with that.
Yeah. No, I don't know about
Name
labor
at
laws and
all.
stuff like that.
So what do you do? I help in hiring. So you're an HR. Don't ever take that name in front of me. I'm an executive search what? Executive search? Executive. Rashmi, who are you here with? This lovely gentleman.
That's my husband.
Hi, husband.
She's so defensive.
Hi, Rahul.
Hi, what's your name?
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Abhishek, what do you do, bro?
I'm the executive.
Where do you work, bro?
I work with a company called Black Buck.
Black Buck.
Yeah. It's
Let me guess the brand ambassador. What does Blackbuck do?
trucking, point A to point
Okay,
B.
logistics company.
Yeah, but trucking, just focused on trucks.
Even if it's like one chotu packet, we're like, we'll fuck.
Trucks.
हम तो ट्रक में भेजेंगे भाई. अपना उसूल है. You guys have been married for how long?
11 years.
11 years.
He's
That's
like,
a
can you
long
believe
time.
it?
How did you guys meet, if we can know?
College.
Oh, this is college love. That's interesting. Where? Which college?
I am Bangalore.
What's the one thing you don't like about him? Why are you guys reacting as if you already know?
He's a morning person. I'm not. So he's like, he'll wake me up in the morning saying, come on, it's Sunday. There's a whole day up ahead. Let's go out and do stuff. And I
Why
just
you
want to go
spoil
back.
our Sunday, man?
That's it.
It's Sunday. How early does he wake up?
7, which is early on a Sunday.
What the fuck do you do at 7 a.m.?
It's nice. It's sunny. It's bright. I'm singing.
You're
I'm
singing.
I'm a morning person. Dude. I'm a ray of sunshine in morning.
You're ray of sunshine. वो दिख रहा है सूरज से जो निकल के आ रहा है. मैं रे मैं. That's so
Cute.
What do you do in the morning? Do you have a routine? You like to get up, you have your coffee, tea. What are you? Coffee person, tea person?
Depends on the day.
Let's go with Wednesday. Now, one of you book tickets for me. I want to know whose idea was this to come to this show.
The friend who didn't show up.
Oh, that's.
Nice.
Let's bitch about him. Who's that friend?
His name is Ishwar.
Ishwar. Oh, doesn't seem very godly, huh?
Oh, by the way, Ishwar is coming in about 10 minutes, so
You
yeah.
guys are together?
Yeah.
Ishwar, why are you sitting in a corner, huh? Come, give blessings, come.
You can thank Thank me later.
Again, Ishwar. Ishwar, you booked tickets for all of them? Something like that. Okay, can you give a mic to Ishwar? He's not actually God. What made you get them all here? What did you tell them? How did
I
you...
saw your Prime special. I laughed a lot.
You didn't show it to them?
I think they.
Because both of them have been looking at me as if like ये dance क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे? कुछ गीत वीत हो जाए तो. What do you do? What does your company do?
It's a startup that.
Something we do every day. We get up at 7. This guy is like, I am ray of sunshine. What is the company called?
It's called Unsolved.
That must instill a lot of confidence in your clients.
Yes, kind of.
What does Unsolved do?
It actually just helps people with ideas progress with their ideas. So,
So if I have an idea, like a good business idea,
yeah, you can just post it, and
I can just post it. And then what would you do?
then we connect you with people who can collaborate with you and help you with it. Simple. Yeah, you have an idea, I can help. Huh.
तेरे को सुनने का है क्या? Are you also an MBA?
Yeah.
From?
Same.
IIM Bangalore.
Yeah.
You guys are all from IIM Bangalore.
Yeah.
Are you married, bro?
Yeah, yeah.
Is your wife here?
Yeah, on the other corner.
Hi. By the way, you guys are like right back, left back of football, huh? You should give it to your wife. Yeah. What's her name? Let me guess. Devi? You're also from IIM Bangalore.
Yes.
Is IIM Bangalore only this? If they see one man and one woman, they... Here's your degree and your spouse. Devi, are you also an entrepreneur?
Kind of, yes.
What do you do?
So I own a dessert company. We sell ice cream and brownies and stuff.
Awesome. How did this idea come? Did you go to his platform, put that idea in someone? Is that how it started? Every day you're like, listen, Ishwar, I have another idea. I can't take this anymore. I'm going to start a platform. You put your ideas there, and someone will. This sounds like a great place. What's the name of the place?
The ice cream place called Nutty Squirrel.
Nutty Squirrel. Where is it?
There's one in Bellandur.
In Bellandur. Is that far?
Very, very far.
That's why there is a dur in the name only.
Yes.
Kitna dur? Bellandur. I'm going to ask something. You may choose not to answer. Okay? Are you profitable already?
No, which is why I also have a job.
Oh,
How lovely. She
you're
said
that
it.
kind, huh? Two timing.
Yes.
What's your job?
I work with Flipkart.
That's a nice company. Oh, I order from Amazon, but Flipkart is doing well these days.
Yes.
Are any of the founders still there?
We will go back to talking about my company.
Yeah. Oops, my water almost broke.
Oh God.
Are you planning to expand it to other cities as well?
Not right now. We're planning on expanding in Bangalore first.
Mm-hmm.
And then other cities later if we still have the money.
You will have money, and I wish you all the best. And I'll post it on Instagram story, and I'll tag you. And your
Awesome.
sales will go through the roof. Then you'll write a book. First chapter dedicated to my mentor, Rahul Subramanian. But let's talk to this guy. I like your personality, man. This strong, like, if you come near my daughter, that personality you have, like.
Don't come near my daughter.
I won't. Like.
Whenever she comes up.
Hi, man. What's your name?
I am Gopalakrishnan.
Gopalakrishnan.
Yeah.
Nice. You're from Gujarat. No.
No, Chennai.
I know, da. I was trying like. Gopalakrishnan, do your friends call you GK?
Yes.
Can I call you GK?
Yeah.
So Gopal, tell me. I can call him. I'll use it whenever I want. What do you do, bro?
I work at Amazon.
You work in Amazon. A to Z. That's nice, man.
Thanks for all the business we are giving us.
Very thanks for accepting us also. क्यों ना इस दोस्ती को रिश्तेदारी में बदल दें? JK, what do you work in Amazon as?
I'm a senior category manager.
Senior category manager. What category do you handle?
IT accessories, electronics.
You know, all the mouse and then.
Yeah, all that stuff.
What's the best part of being a category manager?
You solve customer problems. You solve problems of customers like you who would try to buy IT accessories from Amazon. You try to solve those issues.
Tell me now, give me an example. I want to find a mouse. I search for mouse in Amazon. It starts showing me something else only. Why don't you take washing machine? Lot of customers have bought. अरे मेरे को mouse चाहिए. Like don't worry, GK is here. GK.
Yeah, so something as simple as having the right detail page which has all the details of the product will help. So we work on that.
Do you know I worked in e-commerce, bro? GK?
Where
I can't reveal. GK, I wished I knew you, man, at that time.
you can still know me. I'm here after the show.
GK, are you flirting with me? GK,
No man,
no.
we're cool. Thanks,
GK,
but no thanks.
You're here with someone?
Yeah. I'm with her. Nishita.
Neighbors.
Yes.
What are you?
Friends.
Friends. बोलना वो पहले. Nishita, do you also work in Amazon?
No. नहीं, पूछोगे तो बता दूंगी.
That's all I wanted to know. A funny thought came. I'm going to ask you. Where do you work?
I work at R&D for Biocon.
Biocon क्या करता है?
Drug development.
Hey, show off. Pharma. GK competition नहीं, एक GK already है इधर. Go on, man. हाँ.
Yeah, pharma basically. We do drug development.
Drug development. How long do you know each other, you and GK?
We've been knowing each other since about 6 months.
Ah, probation. How did you guys meet? How are your friends? Like, it's a funny story.
Tinder,
no?
I'm sure.
We just met at a cafe.
So much build-up you did. You
It's
laughed.
not a build-up, man.
Okay, how did you meet in the cafe?
I was
Both
just,
of you said check please together and like,
no, I was just alone and he found me.
GK! GK! Huh? This is how you solve customer problems, huh?
I was alone and he
GK,
found
now I
me.
want to know from your side what happened. Start from the beginning, like, got up in the morning, there was a ray of light, this guy dancing. From there you start.
I can't make up stories like long stories which start from morning and all. I have to go with the truth. I'm not
That's
that
all.
good.
Okay. Do you have a different story?
I'll just give you one detail.
Okay.
We decided a place. I was sitting there, and he made me wait for 2 hours. I was just sitting, and he found me.
You made her wait for 2 hours. What?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from? Bellandur? What did you gift her? The first gift that you've given her?
It was actually a handbag, so much better than a mouse.
A handbag. Okay.
Yeah.
Inside there was a mouse. 6 months in, huh? Now it's the important period. So all the best, guys.
Thank you.
May
Thank you.
Yeah, if you also write a book.
Mentor.
First chapter for you.
Mentor.
Mentor.
All right, I'm fine with it. Give it up for them, guys.
I love. It was so good.
Baby Aishwarya, he's written in brackets. He's good, yeah.
Very nice.
Oh,
He's
that's
so
him.
good.
Look at that. That's him with short hair. Random Chicky Bum presents you and me. Okay, anyway. Oh, he's funny. I like his
Superb.
vibe. He's so like I liked him from the first 5 seconds only. He's got that
Yeah.
that happy face.
Yes, yes.
No?
And he's also picking up and very effortless jokes. It's not like forcefully कि अगर थोड़ा boring हो रहा है फिर भी you're correlating the person just to get that one little tidbit where you can make a joke out of it. It was just
Yeah.
very effortless, which was like
Yeah.
so good. Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it. And there's apparently a part 2 to this. This is part 1.
I want to watch. We
Want
shall
to
watch
watch? Shall we do it now?
next time.
Okay.
Now?
I mean,
Next time.
this was
थोड़ा
this
थोड़ा
was 13 minutes.
space करके. हाँ.
Yeah. So we have something we have to write it down, part 2 for next time.
Yes, and meanwhile we should start stalking him online because, like, when we like somebody, then that's what one must do.
One must follow.
So start
yes.
checking. Yes,
Follow and
yes.
support. But his connections were just hilarious. No, he's connecting the sunshine with the Flipkart, with the Amazon, with the Bellandur.
That was amazing. But that
Very
Pharma mouse guy, he was also funny. I mean, obviously it was audience interaction, but the guy who yelled Pharma in the middle and then later said mouse, that joke was like, it was
I was
amazing.
like, this audience member should only be on stage with him. No? Good fun.
But how initially the girl Devi was getting fully like little defensive and like minding it, which I wanted to know how he would handle that situation, because a lot of times audience members kind of start minding things, right? Because when you're getting picked at, not everyone can handle it that well. So I liked how he then shifted boat, like he just quickly like
Yeah.
started asking, he
Yeah.
handled the situation really well, which was fun.
Yeah, I think the first lady, she just didn't want to be put on the spot. She was not happy
Yeah,
that he
yeah.
was talking to her.
Yeah.
So, but he handled
only,
it well.
sorry, Rashmi, not Devi. Yeah,
The
correct,
first
correct,
one.
yeah,
Yeah.
Rashmi. Correct.
No, so he had this
Oh,
very
yeah.
like disarming sort of, very
Yeah. Let's chill down.
happily.
What
Let's
is
just
it?
keep smiling and moving on. Yeah, very nice. I like his vibe. We should check out more. He has a special on what, Prime? They said, was it Prime?
Yeah, he said. Yeah.
So I think
7
must be checked out. Should check it out.
Yes. And thank you.
So-
Whoever suggested this one, very nice. Must say.
Yeah. Thank you for introducing us to a new stand-up comedian. We like his vibe. And tell us below or on Instagram who else we should react to. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.